So Glenn, thanks for joining me again as we talk about SureWave switches. This is something new. This is our new 6-inch round faceplate option.
That's right, Dave. This new round version is available with all of our SureWave models across the field.
So wireless or single relay, 2 relay, or
Yes.
even the hybrid model, there's an option for a 6-inch round faceplate. The center can be illuminated as well, right?
That's right. If you're using this product with our CM331 or CM332, just the wired models, you can order it with the illuminated ring as well.
Is color adjustable?
Yes, it is. You can actually choose from one of 3 colors, red, green, or as you can see, the blue color. And you can have it set to change color by your hand, as you just demonstrated, or by remote activation from a relay or access control system even.
So Glenn, what mounting options are available when you're using the new 6-inch round faceplate?
So this model can certainly be mounted to an in-wall box if that's available, or for surface mounting we have the CM79A escutcheon ring that this will mount into.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you for joining me today.
You're welcome.